This is the Camp Daddy trip to Nashville. As you see, I'm laying down on this area. It's like a shaded area. You got all the windows closed, all the reflectors in. The air conditioner is over there. These windows, nice and feels good in here. A fan right here. Pop-up trash can, speaker, diffuser with some peony stuff, dog food, mini fridge, my bike bag. Bike is outside. Put my bike together, head over to the cabin. Oh, he's gone.
Nashville Shores Lakeside Resort is your gateway to beautiful Percy Priest Lake with a 320-slip marina, pontoon boat rentals, jet ski rentals, and more. If you have a need for speed, you can rush across the lake on one of our jet skis. Or if you're looking for a more relaxing experience, kick back and relax on one of our pontoon boats for a leisure excursion with family and friends. Visit NashvilleShores.com for more information and to start your lake adventure today.
So look, come on. So y'all, you know what I'm saying? We about to get on this this green purple ride. Oh yeah, you know what I'm saying? Oh yeah, you know what I'm saying? No being scared. We ain't about to be scared. You know what I'm saying? We ride every ride up here. You know what I'm saying? So what's up?
What's up?
So what we finna do?
We're about to go on the race. But what slide? You see that? That's the race. If orange wins, then I'll be proud, super proud.
Put your face in the camera. We just tell them what we finna do. Ready? Oh my God. Oh shit. Hey, make my back hurt. Hold on. Oh, too fast. No, just fast. Woo! Where MJ at? Yeah. Woo! Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, boy. Grab my hand. Grab my hand. Come on, MJ. Get on the slide. Woo! Yeah, it's cold, huh? Yeah, MJ. MJ, come on, let's go. Ow! Oh, yeah. Got it all in your face, boy. Take your ride, MJ.
Quietly.
Quietly. It was fun.
I like this.
You doing like that? What was the best one you got?
Like this one, I want to go in the blue.
Well, give me a review of it. Look at the camera. Give me a review. What do you think about it? Tell me what it is. So right now we are at the dog park. Layla is running around, having the doggone time of her life. I don't know if you can see her. She's hiding behind a tree. And I'm also with MJ.
Hi!
And we are at the dog park together. So, MJ, what do you think about the park so far?
Great. And there's a adventure park.
You want to go to the adventure park part?
Yeah, with Layla.
Well, I don't know if Layla can go. This is the doggy special part about this park for Layla. So, you want to go to the adventure park? What's at the adventure park?
A rope.
A rope? A rope
Yes.
course? Yeah. And then what else? Like you get to
And-
balance and climb?
Yeah, I love those things.
Okay. And you want to go to the water park?
Yes!
Okay, so we're going to do
Wait.
all those things today.
And guess what?
What?
Look at the ground. It's amazing to look at the ground.
I think, come on, Layla, come up here.
That's the ground, and that's the ground.
All right, thank you.
That's for our neighbors.
All right, see y'all in a little bit. Was that our spot? I think I'm gonna get. You want to try the garlic edamame? It's like it's soybean. It's probably be good. It's just a vegetable. How is it? And then they have these bayou fries, Cajun fries, sweet potato fries.
Stay tuned, so we're gonna stay tuned a little bit. You know what I'm saying? Oh my gosh, why they pouring water on us and stuff? You know what I'm saying? MJ, tell me we got on here yesterday. And how you felt about it? It was mid? You didn't even know all that?
I didn't feel nothing.
You capping. You cap. Boy, you cap. You was scared. You weren't scared? You was big boy?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Show the camera.
We gonna go on the roof on.
Watch out what you doing. Watch out. There's somebody behind you. Yeah.
On.
Come on. Hey, watch out.
You see?
You got the mega slide. Oh, yeah. It's on the slide.
This is like, we're gonna die in there.
Wait for it.
Okay.
Not the moment I was waiting for, but you know what I'm saying? You ready? Oh, yeah. I forgot he never got on here before. Oh, no, AJ, go on the other. All right. No, stay right there. Stay right there. All right. You ready? You scared? Wait. Ride.
That one too.
How you rate the ride? Look
A
at
0 out of 10.
0 out of 10.
Yes.
Why?
You guys so scary.
This is so scary.
Yeah, there's a 0.
Oh my God, MJ, you're hilarious. 0 out of 10. This is the biggest ride here. You talking about 0 out of 10?
Guys, it's scary.
You wanted to get on here. I didn't even want to get.
Look and watch. We just got out of the wave pool. Look. The wave pool. We are about to head to go get burrito tacos. We will let y'all know if they're good or not. We're at the restaurant right now. It's called Taqueria, Birria. I can't read upside down, but this is where it's at. We all got the same burrito taco to taco combo. So with that, we will let y'all know what it tastes like.
Bye, Sam.